My channel, Doris's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, luxury to lifestyle. And as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a Sephora holiday VIB, whatever they were calling the sale this time, haul. So if you want to see what I got, make sure you keep on watching. But before we get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button because you don't want to miss when I'm uploading these videos. And I got a lot of goodies coming for you guys. And of course, make sure you hit the notification bell because that's when you're going to know when I'm uploading these videos. And then of course, make sure you guys are commenting, sharing, hitting that thumbs up button and all that good stuff because that helps your girl out and that helps me just continue to grow here on this platform. But I am not going to ramble on too much because I hate intros to do that. Let's go ahead and just jump right into the video. Okay guys, so believe it or not, I went ahead and I made a purchase for the Sephora VIB sale. Now with that being said, I went ahead and I got a lot of stuff, even though I want to go ahead and just kind of hold up the box. I don't want to put my address out there, but here's the box right here. Now, yeah, I got quite a few things, but not as much as I would have thought I would have got for the amount of money I spent. And this right here, honestly, is a true unboxing. I literally just walked in the house. This was sitting downstairs in my lobby, which I was like, wait, I thought they would have brought it to the door and they didn't. So I was a little pissed off about that. And yeah, I'm like, well, let me go ahead and just shoot this unboxing real quick because I'm excited to see what I got. And I already had my makeup on. I'm like, I'm gonna go ahead and just do this video. So let me go ahead and just open it up, show you what I got. If you hear my baby in the background, you know, y'all already know. If you've been following me for a while, you guys kind of already know the drill. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys what I picked up. So the first thing that I got, I'm so excited because literally I honestly forgot what I bought. I got some goodies in here. So let me go ahead and just see. I picked up the Sephora powder brush. Now I got this because I honestly found myself wearing a lot more powder foundations. I really have been like into the Bare Minerals foundation, so I'm really excited to try this Sephora brush. It got really good reviews. That Benefit brush, to be honest, y'all, it did not do the trick. Like, it broke. I mean, and I know I did have it. I will say I had it for about 4 years or something, so maybe that's why. But I'm sorry, the prices that they were charging for these brushes, no, I was not satisfied with that. So it did break. So I'm like, well, I'm not investing any more money into overly priced makeup brushes. I am just not in that space anymore, like I said. So I went ahead and I just picked this one up. This one looks like it retailed for, I hate that they don't put the prices on this stuff. I'll link it down below once I go in and just kind of see how much I paid for that. But I'll definitely link this. I'm not sure. The sale is obviously over now by the time you guys see this video. They delayed the shipping. I don't know why, but it is what it is. So anywho, yeah, I went ahead and I did pick this up. Now the next thing that I got is a Nars item. Looks like I got a couple of Nars items. So I got these Nars Velvet Matte Lip Pencils. Now the reason that I picked these up is because I watch Monroe Steele and she kind of always just puts these on as just like a, you know, her actual lipstick or her lip color. This is what she uses. And as you guys know, we're in a pandemic, so we are all wearing masks right now, and I wanted something that does good under a mask. I mean, not that I'm going that many places, but when I do, I've been wearing my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. I mean, this is new, guys. Like, I have to do a whole video just on how much I really have been loving the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. But yes, I went ahead and picked this up, and it has 2 different colors in here. It has the Damned and Walkery color, so it's like a deep burgundy. Let me open it up. Why not do that while we're doing this video? You okay, baby? You okay? Here. Play with this. play with the brush. Why don't you play with that? Yay! New toy! I'll just open up one because some of this stuff trying to do it with nails on. So yeah, it just looks like that. Super cute. You know, something that you can just throw in your bag if you're a person that carries like, you know, smaller purses like I do. I think this will really come in handy. So yeah, I went ahead and grabbed that as well. And then I got the infamous Nars Soft Matte Foundation. So I'm really excited to see if I even picked the right color. I hear good. Honestly, I've been hearing mixed reviews. I thought that I was hearing good things about this, and then I watched the video and it looked like maybe not. Like if somebody was saying that it oxidizes really badly and all that stuff. And actually this, I don't know. This is like, yeah, I don't know. This might not be good. I got it in the color Tahoe, but I don't think your girl is a Tahoe. With that, so I picked this up as well. I was like, okay. So yeah, got this. So I mean, I guess I'm excited to try it. I don't know. That shade doesn't look like it's gonna work for me. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, I forgot I bought this. So I bought a whole like Sephora favorites bag, and this looks like this has like okay, so yeah, I got this whole Sephora favorites bag. This was a really good deal. It has a 15% off of any of the items that are in here, which I thought was a really good deal. So if I do find something that I really do like, it actually has two 15% off coupons, which I think is, that's kind of a steal, y'all. So let's see what was in here. So it had this Lancome mascara, and I'm a person that, you know, I'm always trying out different mascaras. Right now I've been using the Gucci one. I thought I was like a real huge fan of it, but to be honest, I mean, for the price point, I don't know if I necessarily needed that mascara. Like some other mascaras may very well still do the trick, but I don't know. You know how we get all excited about stuff when we first buy them, and then after a while it's just like, maybe not. It has like this Caudalie purifying gel cleanser. So, you know, it's a skincare item. I'm not a huge person on skincare. I don't go overboard, but I mean, I'll definitely give it a shot. It has this Ren Clean skincare in here. This is a body serum. So I'm excited to try this. I've been hearing a lot of good things about this Ren brand. So yeah, and it says it helps to exfoliate the skin and give it a radiant glow. Okay, so yeah, this is something different, something that's just not for your face. You can use it all over the body, so I like that. And then what else did I get in here, y'all? It says the Makeup Forever HD loose powder. I don't need any more powders. A lot of this stuff I'll probably do in my upcoming giveaway that I mentioned in the previous video, so make sure you guys watch that because you don't want to miss it. And then I have a sample of this Versace bright crystal perfume, which okay, not sure, you know, I don't know, we'll see. And then the thing that I'm most excited about is this item here, and I wanted to try out this Way hair oil. I don't wear my natural hair out too often, but yeah, I wanted to try this. So yeah, that's the reason I really got this over, because I'm like, okay, if I like it, I'll get 50% off of it, so it's a deal either way it goes, you know what I mean? But then I got some other little samples in here too, but I really just wanted to try this out. Now, I don't remember the price. I thought it was going to be on the sheet. I guess they don't put it on there anymore. Okay, we are getting down to the last couple items, guys. I am so sorry if this is like, seems like it's taking a second. So, final two items. The item that I got was this Hourglass brow sculpting pencil. The Glam Twins had said this was a really good item to get on their recommendations list. I am a person that's constantly filling in my brows. It's just part of like I don't care if I'm only doing like the barest of barest makeup routine. Eyebrows are just a must. and I have not been able to get to like my brow girl as often as I used to and things like that. So brows are just something that I have to just constantly keep in rotation. So I definitely want to pick up something that was recommended that was supposedly supposed to be good. Now this is a little more of the on the pricier side for a brow pencil, because honestly, before I watched their video, I just had the Benefit one in the cart. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love the way it looks. I love how the color and packaging is. It reminds me of the Tom Ford packaging, honestly. But they say that the way, because it's angled a little different. I hope you guys can see the way this is angled. But I hear that that's really cool. And of course it has the spoolie on the other side, which is honestly a must now. Y'all ain't making y'all brow pencils with no spoolie on the other side. I don't know what's wrong with you. So yeah, I picked this up because it was on, you know, I got a discount on it. And last but not least, finally, on to the last item. And this is like honestly the item that I was most excited to get my hands on, and that is the Mcgrath Labs palette. I have now bought an eyeshadow palette in, I want to say 2 years, guys. Yeah, it's been that long, 2 years. And it's just because I wasn't, I don't know, I just wasn't finding any that I thought was worth it. Like I have a nice amount of eyeshadow palettes, and I was just really making do with what I had. But when I seen this one, I'm so excited because I don't have anything about Pat McGrath, and I hear such good things about the brand. When I seen this one, I seen the price point, because normally her palettes are like so expensive. So I was very, very happy that the price point on this one was pretty reasonable, and of course there was the sale. I honestly thought it was going to sell out before I was able to shop the sale, because I'm not anything anymore. I'm just VIB, not Rouge, I'm not VIB, I'm just a beauty insider. Sorry about that. So yeah, I didn't think I was going to be able to shop, you know, it was going to be in stock. But this palette, I am so excited. Like, you're just looking at it, and it has this huge mirror. I didn't know that. So I'm truly a fan of that. And yeah, I really, yeah, I'm loving this. Like every color in here looks like something that I could see myself using, you know, using more often than not. I won't say every day, because I'm not a person that wears shadow every day, but I really am happy that I was able to get my hands on this for a good price point. So yeah. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed my little Sephora VIB sale, holiday sale. Again, I forgot the actual name of it, but it was a sale, and I was able to get my hands on some stuff. And you know, hopefully you guys may have gotten some recommendations just off the stuff that I bought, in case you are looking to get a few items in the future. And just comment down below if you did get a chance to shop the Sephora VIB sale, if you were able to find any good deals on anything, or if there's any standout products that you just would recommend to me that I maybe need to get my hands on in the future. Love to hear from you guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.